Hey guys, welcome to Coding Plaza, class number 1. Today we are going to know about Oracle metadata tables. It's called the core tables. So here we are going to discussing about where our tables. See, if you are creating a table, if you are storing some stored procedure, something else, it has to store somewhere in the database, right? So we have to know about the tables actually. So tomorrow to validate, to check which data type we have created, what is the table structure. So everything in future days we have to check means we can able to refer the tables. So actually we are having some tools. Means if you are going to real-time development, there will not be tools like SQL Developer or something else. There will be tools like Putty. Okay, through Putty, SQL Plus you have to connect. So before that, we have to know about the core tables. Okay, today this class I will teach you the major table that's called dictionary. You know about dictionary already, right? So the dictionary means so entire if you take a book, so in that book, so where the which chapter will be there, where to go, everything will be designed. So same like that here. This is a table called select from dictionary. So actually, so nobody will tell about these tables. So in anywhere if you are going, so these are called the metadata tables. So in this table, whatever the Oracle entire table structures will be there. See here, use the tables and along with the comments will be there. In this video, I will going to teach you about comments also. Okay. So here table names, user tables, user objects and types, procedures, wherever everything will store, everything can able to know. So so this is a table called dictionary. So the comments column is there. So I am going to explain in this video about comments also. Yeah. So any table or any column, if you are going to create for your sake also, so there also you can able to add the comments because future up to you to know anyone. So what is the purpose of to creating the column? What is the purpose of to creating the table? To know that we can able to give the comments, right? So that I'm going to give you the comments and along with that this dictionary table. Okay, so assume now I'm going to create a table. Okay, so the table where it will store, what is the data type, how it will be, how to give the comments, everything I will teach you. Okay, so first I'm going to create the table. So hope this syntax and all guys knows. Create table. Assume we are going to create table bank details. Okay, so assume bank is having, there will be an ID which is having data type number, it will be the primary key. Okay, then after customer name, it will be the where. So the customer name will be around like give 20 bytes, and customer account number will be there. That will be number, initiation value. So in the phone number approximately will be 11 digits and going to give. So this is basic enough, right? So I'm going to create the table. So yeah, bank details table has been created. And then after, how I'm going to ask you a question that I want to know about these details. So for these bank details, so and one question I'm going to ask you. One second. Okay, so this is the bank details table. Okay, so I'm going to ask you one question that for ID, what is the data type? For custom, what is the data type I created? What is the account number? So I'm going to remove this. You assume I have commented this. So this it will not be. So if you are a new one and you new to this database, so how you know only table? So how you know about this data types? So to utilize that only, here one table is called dictionary. Okay, so in the dictionary table, so we have to find out tables. Okay, so where our tables are storing, I will tell you how to do. So where, so table name, like, so like operator, you know, right? So 25 tables. Okay, so you have so many tables came. So to identify only for the schema, like coding plaza is a schema or else user. So for this user tables, I have to identify Okay, so see here, user tables game, description of the user's own relational tables is what? So description of the associated user tables. Okay, you can check the EBA tables also. So for this user, we are creating this. Okay, now I will take the users tables. I will go here, select star from user tables. Okay, so here earlier I have created other tables. Okay, so in this one, where table name, now we have created the blank details, right? Name equal to, so we have to give in everything caps only, no small. But while using table name, while querying, you can use small or caps in Oracle. Okay, so see, this is the table name, and this is the table space create. The table space name as username that I will explain you in 15 minutes about table space. Okay. So in this table, we came to know that so logging is, so here some metadata will be there about the table. So table locking enabled, so you can log the table or not, you can define. So here so many things, the row movement will be enabled or not. Okay. So here the about the table where space is creating. Okay. And the data types we have discussed, for that another table is there that, so not use the tables, user. So we have to fetch about columns, right? We have to know about columns, no? So user underscore columns. So columns not there. Sometimes it's a big name, right? So user underscore call CPS came, right? So user call comments, user call types, user privileges, means for column privilege is there or not. So the granted for the column you can able to query or not. Also you can give the permissions. So for this table, we are going to check the user call types. Okay. So we'll see this. Select start from user call types. So for these, column types are defined. Okay. So as I told you, so we are going to check the comments, right? So sorry, beyond that. See, user call comments. Okay, so we'll go here. So you have user call type, which concept I explain you later. So user call comments. Okay, so these are all the columns. This is the column name. So we'll query this equal to whatever the tables you have created, the data will become here, that column name, table name, and comments. Because as I told you, the comments are very important because every comment having one line. Okay. It means on purpose is there for the creating of the comments. Okay. So, banks table you have created for this bank table. So for this table also you have to give the comment name. So that, so I'm going to give that comment for this table columns. Comment on. First, I'm going to give the comment for table. Table name what bank details, right? So this is the syntax for this. So why this table is created? The purpose is what? So when executing this, so comment has been created. Okay. So here I will check the tables where the comment tables are there. So user call comments is there. Okay. So user call comments I will take. So I will query this once I created after that. Star from user call comments. Right. So already I have queried this in the top. So the user call comments. So column level we have not created still the comments. User table comments we have to check. See user tab comments. So here I'm going to give you user tab comments where table name equal to bank details. Right? So here I have created one comment that to store the bank details. Right? So this is what one comment I have created. Tomorrow is future, if anybody knows about these tables and they are going to come, so they came know this is the table. Okay. So it's common perspective. Now I'm going to create the comments for mainly for column purpose. Okay. Comment on column and table name dot is what it is. Okay, this is syntax dot. I have created ID. Okay. So ID is primary key for the table. Okay. Is one comment. Comment on column then details dot first underscore name is customer name. Okay. So this is what comments I'm going to create. So I have created the comment. So I can able to check that. So you all use the table comment. I'll use the call comments window. So here if I created for ID and the column is first one. So in future you came to know that this is the column allocated for the which purpose is the okay. So it may be 20 years product, it may be 10 years product, whatever it may be. So DB will be long years we will use for a in real time way. So there you came to know about the usage of this comments. Okay, as a senior resource, if you are becoming a senior resource, then only you came to know the purpose of this. Okay. Yeah. For today, this comments and dictionary table on the concept. And I'll meet with another video.